I'm going to do ASV 50 RC-50 Bogie wheel. As you can see here, I got the new kit. It came off my Cat, which has an ASV undercarriage on it. Okay, got those off. If your bearings go ahead and get kind of stuck, the old bearings get stuck to the axle there, just go ahead and use a torch and lightly cut it off and then pry it off. Okay, so the biggest issue I found is nobody tells you what order these go into, and I'm not very bright, so I figured it out. Well, I had to figure it out. So this right here is kind of like a saddle for the bearings. That goes ahead and that goes in here like this. Okay, super simple, makes sense. There's a front and back part to these wheels. I know that doesn't make sense. This is more blocky. The front's a little bit more rounded. So we're gonna start on the back part right here. What you're gonna do is hold on. You're gonna take this saddle right here and you're gonna go ahead and you're going to put it rounded side down. And you're going to use a socket. I used a 1 7/16 socket, and you're going to pound that all the way down. I was concerned I was going to booger it up, but I didn't. You're going to pound that all the way down. I used this guy right here, pounded it down on the top of it, and then your bearing will sit in on top. Okay, just like so. Boom. All right, from there, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take this kind of plastic-ish washer that goes on the back, kind of keep things in there. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to pound it down there. There is a snap ring. See if I can see it here. There's a little snap ring groove right here that you're going to put this big snap ring in on the back, okay? That's a joy, I'm here to tell you right now. On the front side, again, the front side's a little bit more rounded. You're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna get that saddle, you're gonna pound it down. Now there's about a 1/4 inch gap in between the two. There's solid welded metal. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pound it down there, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're going to do the bearings and everything. So then you put the cap on, you put this on top of the cap, and you're done.